So we've got some indoor and outdoor security cameras from a really popular company on Amazon called Zosi. Now these sell extremely well on the Amazon platform. First of all, let's take a look at these indoor cameras because they've got some unique features I haven't seen from indoor security cameras in the past. This one is this particular camera. This is a Zosi C519M. This one has a little screen built into it, and you can actually make video calls from this. It's got gesture control as well, so if you've got children in the house, they're on their own and they want to make a phone call to you easily without using a mobile device, they can do this. They can press this little button, it will send a notification to your phone, and you'll be able to do like a video call over this camera. It's really great. It works exceptionally well. It's also got gesture control, so you can hold an OK sign up to it and it'll make a call automatically. You can control these via the application. The app is really good. It's very easy to set up these cameras. They're connected immediately. They have infrared as well, so it's got like a real good night mode on this, and the camera quality is really good quality. So you go into the app and you can move it left and right. You can look around in your home whilst you are using this application. Good speakers as well, so you can like notify, you can set alarms, you can, with this outdoor one, it's really great. The smaller version, which is a C518, is pretty much the same camera but just hasn't got the screen built in. You can do all the same things apart from gesture control. You can do all the same things with this camera via the application, control it, you can make phone calls, you can look around, you can move it, and it's connected by USB-C. In the box you get a quick start guide, you get a plug to get it plugged in, and you get a USB-A to USB-C cable, which is nice and long, about 1 meter long, to plug it in to keep it powered. They have a cloud video option where you can like save the footage, and you can pay for that monthly, but with the Zosi outdoor cam you can actually put an SD card in here to save your footage, so you can record the footage via the application. You can start recording no matter when you want to do it. So the outdoor cam is brilliant. It's got two lots of camera arrays. We've got an infrared camera here for like night time, two lots of lights which illuminate the subject. It's got a light and a camera in the bottom which moves around left and right, so like a wide angle and a close-up camera. You can move the camera around with the application, you can talk through it, you can actually activate an alarm. So if you see somebody, you press the alarm, it starts flashing the lights and sounding an alarm to scare them away. It connects via Wi-Fi, and then you have to like plug it in. It's really easy. It took me like 10 minutes to set up by just putting the power cord through the garage and plugging it in and keeping it charged up. Connected to the Wi-Fi network, so you can log in through the app. Very easy to do. The lights on the front are very bright as well, so you've not got no problems there. It actually recognises humans. There's different ways you can set up the app to actually recognise movement or recognise movements, and then it activates the lights every time it recognises somebody, which is really handy for me around this little corner here because I haven't got any lights or anything. It gets quite dark on the night, so these lights have come in really handy. So yeah, they are really great quality security cameras, and I fully recommend them. I've been a flawless experience with them so far. Zosi did provide these for review, but this is a totally honest review. This is my own like genuine experience over these, using these over the last month or so. I've been super impressed, especially with the outdoor cam. So yeah, both of these cameras, indoor and outdoor, absolutely fantastic quality. I've had a seamless experience with them so far, so I fully recommend them. Okay, that's it for this one. See you on the next one.